Hey guys, Caleb Wilhelm here, and we just recently came back from New York. We had to go the night early for a reason, but we recently came home, and I've been doing a lot. That's my fort. For the cats, of course. Got the little blanket down there, we got that little roof, we got a lot of books holding it up. Like, this way is a solid 10,000. So that should keep it up. Lamp under here, which we can only put on for so long. So it provides a little bit of light. And we got some toys for the cats. Come on, Gatsby. 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 Oh, Lena. Yes. No, those aren't our only cats, as you probably know. We have a lot more. But we got this little place, kind of cozy. This is where it kind of gets, like, kind of skyscraper city. And like that. So cute. The problem is it has, like, it goes up to my head pretty much. As you probably already know, I'm not standing right now. But if I was, then this whole thing would be destroyed. So I made it for cats. So actually, right there we got the thing. They can go inside that tunnel. It's not really a tunnel leading anywhere, but it's somewhere. And there's a little thing they can perch upon. That's kind of a skyscraper. Then you go underneath here.